In this video, I'll show you how to enable, set up, and configure Cash App security lock. By the way, if you run a business, Cash App probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. Open Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. At the top, under the Security section, tap Security Lock. Turn on the toggle to enable it. You'll then be prompted to create a new cash PIN, but enter a 4-digit PIN, then enter it again to confirm. Once confirmed, Security Lock will be active, and you'll be required to enter your PIN anytime you send money or make transactions. Cash App is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, AirWallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Cash App offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed AirWallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.